Somebody say Oshojija. Say Oshogwaho. Say Oshokwe. Oshokwikwi. Oshiomhole. Limayale. Make some noise. Kedyawa. Kedede. Kirimeka. Kesari Boma. Nitasiwaju Nigeria kiyo APC Asiwaju for president, Jagaba for president. No more drumming. I want us to talk. When we finish talking, we go dengue. Your Excellency, Mr. President, by the special grace of God, Inshallah, by February 25, our people say they will use their PVC to crown Your Excellency, who has done so much to promote multi-party democracy in Nigeria. I salute you and we welcome you to the heartbeat of the Nigerian nation. Are we not the heartbeat? I want us to reflect on our recent history. Our candidate today, distinguished Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Jangaban, they are the ones who, upon military overthrow of our democracy, he provided leadership to fight along with others that nations must be governed democratically. I want you to go home with a message. Today, we support Asiwaju because, first and foremost, he believed in the unity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. One of those who is contesting also for the office, his own state, according to Soludo, the current governor of Anambra State, he said he inherited erosion headquarters. That the most deadly erosion is in Anambra, and then we ask, but one candidate, Mr. Peter Obi, was governor of that place. He could not fix the erosion. Even me studying here, I fixed with another erosion. Did I not? I fixed it. Me studying here, we fixed the erosion that was going to destroy Ekewa Road. Did we not fix it? Me studying here, we fixed the Auchi erosion site. Did we not fix it? Now, the man who wants to govern Nigeria could not fix erosion in Anambra State. If you know fit settle Anambra, now Nigeria you go settle. Who no fit feed the family, let him not promise he will feed community. Today, across Nigeria, if you are going to understand why Obasanjo failed to transform Nigeria to a one-party state, you cannot forget the dogged fight by our presidential candidate to maintain and defend multi-party democracy in Nigeria. Because unless we get the politics right, we cannot fix the economy. The world is unanimous that multi-party democracy is the way to go. I want young people to remember where we are coming from, because those who are 30 years now, by 1999, they were probably 2-3 years old. They may not know some of these problems. They need to know who laid foundation for the crisis that we face and the crisis that our candidate is going to resolve. We are not lamenting it, but we must make you to understand your past in order to appreciate the future. By 1999, President Obasanjo took over APC. He appointed their chairman as his advisor and got the governors to move. By 2003, he rigged out all the Southwest governors, Lamaj Adesina, Segun Oshiomhole, all the Southwest governors, and planted PDP in the Southwest. He tried to take Lagos. I said, what you say? Oh, Tobe. Oh, Tobe. At the end of the day, Lagos survived. The rest of the Southwest, Obasanjo rigged them over. You know where I'm measuring his name? Let not those who misled and lay foundation that undermine the future of our democracy become immediately the saint of today. We must remind you of what they did. Campaign must be about issues. I dance, but it's not about dancing. I will dance on the 25th when he has won. But you must know why you will vote for him. In Edo State, people tell me they can't go to farm. I say, what you will deal with security conclusively. For young people, don't waste your vote. Oh. Peter Obi is a joke. It's a joke. Now, let me tell you why you shouldn't waste. For Atiku, he can't even unite his house. 5 governors have left. A man who can unite his party, will he unite Nigeria? He said those 5 people don't matter. That is how he will say you don't matter. And for Obi, who are his supporters? Only 2. Obasanjo says he supports him. I say congratulations. That vote is at the expense of Atiku, not our own. He has never supported us. We have never asked for his support. So, if your opponent are divided, is it not for your own good? So let him vote, but go and check the result. We have always won in Ogun State, even in Otafam. Nothing to worry about. I congratulate him for passing vote of no confidence on his vice president, Atiku Abubakar. Now there won't be that. The other one you must not forget, Atiku by his mouth said, between himself and Obasanjo, they spent $16 billion to fix power. 16 billion American dollars. And yet, according to Atiku, they paid the contractors in full, but the job was not done. Is that the party or the person Who will advise you where to vote? Mumu down. You know, last time I told you be careful about the governorship election. I warn you. Did I not say so? Did I not say so? Otogba, Ogbane, where are we? Where are we? Where is the industrial park? Where is the industrial park? Where is Gelegele Port? Where is the new housing estate? Where is the rice farm? Where is the mechanic village? My people, my people, my people. How many times I call you? 3 times. Vote Asiwaju, vote for progress. We will renew Nigeria. You will be proud. I will be proud. And the day will be great again. Thank you very much.